there's a new way to connect Koala Wallet to your favorite Web3 dApps and services. With the new in-app browser, your most used tools are a single tap away. At the bottom of Koala Wallet's main screen, tap the Eco button. Select the blockchain that you want to connect and you will see a curated list of its most used services worldwide. Open the one you want to use and look for the Connect button. Depending on the site, you may see the options Injected, Browser Wallet, or Koala Wallet. Whatever the website calls it, just tap the button and you'll immediately see the connection request pop up. Press Connect and authenticate with your password. That's it. The page will detect your address, balance, and whatever else it needs. Use the page normally. When you start any transaction, a new request will pop up with the details. Press Confirm and enter your password again to allow it. If you use a page often enough, press the heart button to add it to your favorites. If you need to check something elsewhere in Koala Wallet, press the Minimize button. The page will remain open as a floating bubble on the Eco screen. Tap it to reopen. If the dApp that you would like to use is not visible in the Koala Wallet Eco screen, you can edit the URL after opening any other dApp and connect. Drag the floating bubble to the bottom to close it. If you're using the browser version of Koala Wallet, open your dApps normally. When connecting or initiating a transaction, a new window will pop up for you to review and authorize the action. Koala Wallet is now your gateway to the world of DeFi. Feel free to check our channel for other video tutorials and have an awesome day.